How's it going, YouTube? It's been a while since I posted anything. Uh, you know, life. I did finish the twin turbo Mustang, but there's other stuff I'm doing to it now, like the AC. But I bought a couple cars. One is, it's gonna need a lot of work. Actually, both of them need a lot of work. The one that I just went and picked up today with that is one that I love and always. I knew I was gonna have another one. All my friends are gonna be like, "You're an idiot," but I don't care. So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna probably have to sell this one. I did end up getting it running. It still needs a radiator and an upper intercooler pipe, but I didn't. I wasn't able to do all the stuff that I wanted to do. So without further ado, this is the new car. Boom! I love it. I haven't had one in years. This is my fourth Evo. This is a 06 Evo 9. Probably the cheapest Evo in the country that still has everything. It has the rod knock, as the guy said, but it's all there. I looked, no hole in the block, so that's a good thing. I don't have to buy a block. Said transmission shifts smooth. Has a few aftermarket stuff. I mean, she's rough. Don't get me wrong, but it's an Evo 9. So, Evo 9s. Evo 9s were built for 1 year, 2006. That was it. And the major difference with the engine was MyVec. So the intake cam has a variable timing, kind of like VTEC type deal going on with it, which is pretty cool because they can make a lot of horsepower down low and carry it all the way up to the top of the RPM band. The other thing is it came with a bigger turbo, which is on the 85 actually good to 400 horse with the stock turbo. So I think it also comes with a front limited slip differential in the transmission. He's got slotted and drilled rotors already on it. The roof is wrapped, but that's coming off. Actually, it's getting another roof. The car is wrapped and it is absolutely filthy. I don't know what this kid, he never washed it, I guess. Look at that. So another cool thing about this car is it is imported from Germany. I'm pretty sure that's why that's there. The kid I got it from is in the Army, and he had it shipped over. Well, I think he bought it off someone that had it shipped over, one of his buddies in the Army. But yeah, so it comes with the good bumper already. It has that light on there. I think that's like a rear fog light for European cars. What else? All in all, it's in pretty decent shape. It needs a new roof. It needs a new hood. I want to change the fenders because they drilled holes in them, and maybe the bumper. What else? Let's look in the interior. The interior is very nice. I'm very surprised. It is the SE, so it has the super nice seats. The dash is still in good shape, except for the stupid sticker things. He was a young kid. Yeah, so all the blue stuff is just wrapped, so I can take that off. So it comes with the gauges. Turbo timer. Does anyone ever use that anymore? So yeah, so the interior is actually really nice, which is a good thing. There's there's the squirters for the hood. So I'm super stoked that the interior is nice. I hate bad interiors. And I'm glad it's not a sunroof car. So the car came with some stuff. He's got Optima in the rear. He's got MR Bilsteins with Swift lowering springs, front and rear. I don't know if you've seen the manifold up front, but it's cracked. So he included this sweet eBay header manifold. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. But yeah, so I need to get all of this to look better. What else? Like I said, it is wrapped. I'm gonna pull the wrap off. And the other issue is they did roll defenders and they didn't do a great job. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that to look right. What else? Oh, and it came with a brand new Exedi twin disc. That's a score right there. And that's another trunk lid without the holes for the spoiler, which I always have spoilers on my Evos. It's not an Evo without that. But yeah, so there it is. I got another Evo. Like I said, it's probably the cheapest one in the country as a rod knock, so that's why. He didn't have money to fix it, so I'm going to pull the engine, most likely going with an Eagle crank, Manley rods, Wiseco piston, the usual for these cars. Keep it 500 horse on pump gas, maybe throw some E in it and go try to hit 600 with it, depending on what turbo I go with. But it's not a race car, it's just going to be my fun car. That's the race car. But yeah, so here it is. I'm super happy with it. Needs a lot of work, but for the price I got it for, I cannot complain. Oh, I need to change this side skirt too. They screwed right into it. So another thing I'm gonna do is go with white wheels. I'm gonna get the roof white, get a white hood, white spoiler, and white wheels, and get a different front lip. So I'm gonna go white on white with it. Some people might not like it, but I want to try it. I think it's gonna look cool. Yeah, there she is. She's rough, but if you know me, you know it's gonna run good, and I'm going to have to learn to do some body work. But yeah, so if anyone is interested in this 91 Talon, it's all-wheel drive. Like I said, it runs, but it just don't drive. It needs a few things. So hit me up if you're in the Houston area and you're looking for a 1G. I got you. All right, well that's that. I'm gonna try to do some more videos with this, and you know, it's hard to do the videos because I just don't have time, man. I work, I don't get home till like almost 7 o'clock, super hot, super tired, and I just don't feel like doing anything. So cool. Hopefully you guys will watch and like and subscribe and see where I go with this thing. I'm gonna try to get the engine out. I'm gonna clean the garage tomorrow, see if I can get it in the garage. I'm gonna try to get the engine out next week, get it disassembled, get the block to the machine shop. I'd like to get it running by my birthday, which is September the 8th. This is the 21st of August right now, so it's probably not gonna happen, but I can try. So, all right guys, I'll talk to you guys later.